How long does it take for a medical malpractice lawsuit to be finished? Hi, everybody. I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. Before we get into today's video, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my videos. And it also really helps me out a lot too. So this question came from a potential client who asked me this question on my website. So a medical malpractice case is a different type of personal injury case than an auto accident or a workers' comp case. Those cases can take months to finish, but a medical malpractice lawsuit is probably going to take about 2 years. Could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less, but I think 2 years is a good approximation. Let me give you a few reasons as to why. Number one, first reason is that we have to do a lot of investigation before. We have to obtain the medical records. We have to review them with medical doctors because that's what the law requires. A medical doctor has to be able to certify the case. And I have a video on medical experts, which I will put at the bottom of this video. And that tells you a little bit more about medical experts. So that's the first reason. Second reason is that after a lawsuit is filed, there is a period of a lot of litigation that has to be done. And that can take many, many months. And even close to a year. Those things would include depositions of the different parties, which is out-of-court testimony. All of those need to be scheduled. They just can't happen very quickly. It depends upon people's calendars. It depends upon a lot of different things that use up a lot of time. That's the second reason. Third reason is that medical malpractice trials can take 10 days, 2 weeks, maybe even more. And so in those situations, the court has to be able to find the time to devote to a case of that length. Most cases that come into court are maybe a couple of days, maybe 3 or 4 days at most, but not medical malpractice cases because they can take a lot longer. And so you also remember that there's other cases that are being filed, and those cases have to come to trial before a medical malpractice lawsuit. So it takes about 2 years. I know it sounds like a long process, and it is a long process, but that's how our system is set up for cases like this. So I hope this information was helpful. This was a very good question from a potential client, and I just thought it would be worthwhile to do a video. Again, thanks for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of more videos like this. And I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.